I got something new for you. This is Grant again, back with another vlog video with the Thunder Galvo CO2, our brand new machine, and I'm gonna show you how I can do a full wrap on a tumbler like this in less than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna walk you through how to go about setting this up, and this is more about just showing you that it can do it. I'll make a video later on going through every little process of how to get your steps dialed in and all that good stuff, but today I will give you my settings for not only the speed and power, but also the rotary, and show you how this can do it in 10 minutes. So let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna throw the tumbler onto the rotary. Let's get it tightened up. And make sure that I got it leveled out. You can move it just a hair. Right about there. Okay. And I know that I got autofocus line, or not autofocus, I got the manual focus where I need it to be. This machine uses manual focus. It's got 2 red dots coming there and then a red dot coming through the lens, and then you move the head up and down like so until those points converge. So you see those those dots going away. Now they're coming closer and closer together till we're focused. Now we got that set up. I'm gonna move over to the computer into LightBurn. Now the tumbler that we're using is actually a 20-ounce tumbler from Maker Supply. And then my settings, I will show you here. 750 millimeters a second, 68% power, not 67, not 69, it's 68. And I'm going 423 DPI. This is something that we've tested and tested and tested, and this is where we found the best results. And then the frequency is 15. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the rotary settings. So I'm gonna highlight and boom. There's all the little numbers that you guys can look at. So I won't read off all of them. Take a look at that. Now, it may not be copy and paste for you, but this will get you at least in the ballpark for whenever you get your machine and you start playing around with it. All that looks good to me, so I'm going to hit the start button. You know what? I almost hit the start button, and then I remembered. I care about my eyes. I want to be able to see. And Elijah behind the camera does not have any, so I don't care about his eyes. All right, now that our beams are done lasering, I can take this off of the rotary. Talon Pro, by the way, awesome rotary. This just buffs it out and makes it even shinier. Shout out to Sam from Maker Supply for making some really awesome cups. We had him at Ignite, which is what's being engraved here. And he did an awesome job in his booth. While I'm on that subject, let's talk about Lois and Tommy, because Lois and Tommy spent the time to make this file for me, and I didn't have to lift a finger, so shout out Lois. Get the lid put together, and boom, full wrap in under 10 minutes. I think it came out to around 8 minutes and 10 seconds to be exact. This same thing on the Titan Bolt or Nova Plus would take around 45 minutes, and we got that all the way down to 8. So pretty awesome. Now this machine is going to be coming out later this year. It is a 60 watt RF with a Galvo head. This thing will book it. And the focus of this machine is really to do tumblers. So if you're doing tumblers all day, every day, this is the machine for you, but it can also do wood and acrylic and hat patches, all sorts of things. So this made it all possible. Thunder Air 700. All those fumes and smoke got pulled straight away in here. And so if you watch that engraving back, you'll see that it was taking it out pretty quick. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick run through of how fast this machine is at doing tumblers like that. Stay tuned for what's to come. This machine is going to be kicking butt. A lot more videos coming. Thank y'all.